In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wells Fargo to Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Wells Fargo account to Cash App. By doing this, you will be able to use the bank account from Wells Fargo to add money, receive transfers, withdraw, and so on. So in order to manage the linked banks on your account, tap on your icon. Usually it is going to be at the top right corner of the home screen or the Money tab. By tapping on this icon, you will see details about your profile, and all that you have to do here is scroll down until you find Linked Banks under Account and Settings. So scroll down until you see Linked Banks. Once you go inside of Linked Banks, you will see all of the accounts that you have connected. So primarily, you should have a debit card, and then you will see the options to link a bank or a credit card. So for this video, I'm going to be focusing on Link Bank. So all that you have to do to connect Wells Fargo to Cash App is to tap Link Bank, or if you prefer, link a Wells Fargo debit card. When you choose either of these options, you will see more details about them. By choosing Link Bank, you will see this message: select your institution. Wells Fargo should be among the top results, so all that you have to do is select it. Alternatively, use the search function here and look for Wells Fargo. Once you see it, just tap on the icon, and immediately upon doing this, you will be redirected into a page where you have to sign into your Wells Fargo account. So Cash App uses Plaid to connect your account. To do this, you will sign in using your Wells Fargo's credential on a secure site, and all that you have to do is choose Continue to log in and use your information. Make sure that you give it access to all of the necessary details, such as all of your accounts and the profile information, and after this is done, Wells Fargo is going to appear listed here under your accounts. So with Wells Fargo present under your linked banks, you are now ready to add cash directly using this bank account, withdraw money, whatever it is that you wish to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Wells Fargo to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.